Now, one of the things that you must do or you must eat here in Ayutthaya is definitely the kway teow or the boat noodle. So I've just finished, or I've just completed my cycle tour here, the bicycle tour at this Ayutthaya historical park, and I'm stopping at one of these said to be one of the best boat noodle shop here. So I'm going to check it out. So join me and let's see how this boat noodle tastes like. I've ordered two this boat noodles here, as you can see here. So this is the boat noodles. This is the sand leg with the pork meat. So I'm going to check out and see how this boat noodle tastes like. So you can see two bowls here. This is the big bowls and cost 30 baht for each bowl here. So we take a look at these boat noodles here. What's inside here? You can see the this is the noodles, and this is the you can check out here the broth here, which is the thickened broth here. This is the pork here. This is the pork. This is the pork ball. This is the pork meat, and then you have some veggies as well here inside. So they call it the pak bong. The pak bong here. So I'm going to check out this boat noodle and see how it tastes like. So it looks tasty. It looks savory here. Let's check out this boat noodle and see how it tastes like. So I'm going to check out how this boat noodle tastes like. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is quite tasty here. The broth is quite thick here, and then the noodles, you can see this noodles here is spongy. It's just nice when you bite on it. The noodle has a very spongy texture to it, and when you bite on it, it just tastes so nice with the broth. So let's check out the pork balls. The pork balls, strong pork taste to it, and then the soup is savory, the broth is savory, it has a strong herb taste to it. So I'm going to put everything inside this, into the noodles. This is one of the best noodles in Ayutthaya. So let's check out this second bowl here. So you can see a lot of things inside this boat noodles here. Let's check out the noodles again. Just as good as the earlier one. It's very spongy. This is the pork balls. Very spongy too. The texture of the noodle is it's just so spongy and springy. It's very nice. The noodles texture. And you just literally put in everything. just confirm my earlier statement. This is one of the best kway teow or boat noodle. This is where you can see the workers here at this boat noodle restaurant. This boat noodle shop here prepare the noodles. So you can see the broth over at the other end. That's the boat noodle broth. And these are some of the noodle types here. These are the sen mi and then the sen leg. You have some vegetables there as well, the bean sprout. So these are all the add-ons that you can see here. Some of the pork meat as well as the pork balls, meatballs, and the meat as well. So these are all the. You can see the bowls here that were already being stacked up here. This is the Ayutthaya noodles. Wat Mahathat.